Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have either the built-in GPS or a compatible mod installed and active. Next, attach the GPS to the tractor and power it. This is required so the game reads the device. Open the GPS interface and select Auto Steer mode plus a working width that matches your implement. Once done, set the guidance line roughly along your first pass. This initial line saves you time and ensures accurate coverage in the field. Now you configure the pass pattern and offset so your rows align. Choose line spacing that matches the implement width, for example 3, 0 for narrow tools or a wider value for large headers. Adjust the left or right offset to account for tool position. This prevents overlap or misstrips. Make sure to save the pattern if you'll reuse it, and enable A/B lines or section control when working with large implements to reduce steering corrections and improve fuel and time efficiency. Finally, activate auto steer and engage cruise control to start the guided pass. You should feel smooth steering corrections. Watch the GPS signal and drift indicators. Small adjustments are normal, but if drift exceeds about 0.5 pause and recalibrate or tweak offsets. Once finished, save the completed headland and pattern for future use. If the system fails, reload the pattern, check mod compatibility, or move the GPS to another vehicle. This often fixes signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.